Joe Biden is an American politician and the 46th President of the United States. He was born on November 20, 1942, in Scranton, Pennsylvania, to a Catholic family of Irish ancestry. Biden grew up in a middle-class family and was the eldest of 4 siblings. Biden attended the University of Delaware and Syracuse University Law School. After law school, he worked as an attorney and was elected to the New Castle County Council in 1970. Biden was elected to the U.S. Senate in 1972 and served for 36 years, becoming one of the most influential and respected members of Congress. During his time in the Senate, Biden was known for his work on foreign policy, particularly his focus on arms control and nuclear non-proliferation. He also served as the chairman of the Senate Judiciary Committee and played a key role in the confirmation of several Supreme Court justices. In 2008, Biden was chosen as the running mate for Democratic presidential nominee Barack Obama. The Obama-Biden ticket won the election, and Biden served as vice president for 2 terms from 2009 to 2017. In 2020, Biden announced his candidacy for President of the United States. He campaigned on a platform of unity and restoring American values, and won the Democratic nomination. In the general election, he defeated incumbent President Donald Trump and was inaugurated as the 46th President of the United States on January 20, 2021. Biden's presidency has been focused on addressing the COVID-19 pandemic, strengthening the economy, and tackling issues such as climate change and racial inequality. He has also taken steps to restore America's standing on the global stage, rejoining the Paris Climate Agreement and restoring relationships with key allies. Overall, Joe Biden has been a prominent figure in American politics for over 4 decades and is widely regarded as a skilled legislator and statesman.